Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Making ast.walk 220x faster. A custom linter was developed to improve code generation quality and reduce latency in an AI reflex-app builder, leading to a 220x performance improvement in ast.walk by optimizing tree traversal for generated Python code. Launch Intuned YCS22. Build and run reliable browser automations as code. Intuned YCS22 launches as a platform for building and running reliable browser automations as code, designed for developers and teams who need robust web automation solutions. The platform offers AI-powered automation agents alongside traditional coding approaches, with built-in monitoring and collaboration features for team workflows. AI agent executes first end-to-end ransomware attack. Sysdig documented the first end-to-end ransomware attack conducted autonomously by an AI agent named JadePuffer, which exploited vulnerabilities, stole credentials, and destroyed production data without human intervention. The attack began through an exposed Langflow instance using CVE 2025-3248, with researchers noting the AI's sophisticated autonomous behavior. Python JIT compiler project under threat after Steering Council says proper process wasn't followed. The Python Steering Council has suspended development of the experimental JIT compiler in the main branch, requiring a new PEP within 6 months or the feature will be removed. The move threatens a key performance enhancement for Python 3.15, which was expected to deliver an 89% speed improvement, but remains experimental and disabled by default. Tycoonally, a JAX reinforcement learning environment for long horizon planning. Tycoonally is a JAX-based reinforcement learning environment designed for long-horizon economic planning, enabling agents to manage logistics, financing, and delayed rewards in a simulated economy. It features a fixed-shape interface, supports JAX transformations, and includes tools for policy inspection and benchmarking. Spy Tech, the GPS numbers station. The US GPS system may conceal a covert numbers station within its L1C navigation signal, specifically in a 176-bit field known as subframe 4, page 17, which has undisclosed content and recently changed format in 2023. Researchers analyzed millions of GPS packets from 2007 to 2026 to study this mysterious data field, which constitutes 12 of its subframe and may carry cryptographic information. Your next hobby, side hustle, or promotion could start with one of the 1,000+ courses in this $20 platform. For $19.97, regularly $600, users can gain lifetime access to over 1,000 online courses covering career and creative skills through EDU Unlimited by Stack Skills, with no recurring fees or subscription pressure. The platform offers flexible learning across topics like coding, marketing, and design, with new content and instructor support added regularly. Claudemojis, a Claude for every occasion. Claudemojis are pixel-perfect, programmatically generated Slack emoji based on the Claude mascot, featuring a growing set of animated variants derived from a 128 grid, and available in 128,128 PNG GIF format with transparent backgrounds. The project includes tools for grid analysis and color sampling to ensure consistency across all emoji variants. Hijacked NPM and Go packages use VS Code tasks to deploy Python in Fasteler. Cybersecurity researchers discovered hijacked NPM and Go packages that deploy a Python in Fasteler via VS Code tasks, bypassing NPM security measures by hiding malicious code execution within a legitimate-looking development environment setup. The attack leverages blockchain transaction data to retrieve encrypted JavaScript and establishes backdoor communication with attacker-controlled infrastructure. Apple outlines major AI and developer tool updates at 2026 Platforms State of the Union. Apple announced major AI and developer tool updates at WWDC 2026, including free private cloud compute access for smaller developers, image input support, and server-side integration with third-party models through its Foundation Models framework. The company also revealed plans to make the framework open source later this summer, while introducing a new core AI framework for custom on-device model development. Thanks for watching, like and comment below. See you in the next update.